Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and of course it's that time of the day of the month again when it's time to share with you guys some amazing widgets for the month of June. So let's begin. So the first widget is called Subtract. So if you, in my past video that I just did, I actually went through this awesome app called Subtract, and the widget for Subtract is just an amazing widget because it allows you to track your subscriptions right on the home screen without having to open the app. So what I like about this is, of course, the color versions of it. There's different types of versions of the widget. There's a small version which allows you only to track one subscription. And then, of course, I like this one just because it has the colors of the large one of the company that you're currently subscribed to. So like for Netflix, it's red. For Shopify, it's green. And then of course I like the medium sized widget because it shows you the monthly, how much you're paying monthly for these subscriptions. So that's always a very nice thing to see, because to see where the money is going, and see what you're spending it on, and maybe cut some stuff off if you know that you're not using that subscription anymore. Next, we have Wallpapers. So it's a simple app, a simple widget, the Wallpapers widget. What I like about this, it shows you the latest and coolest wallpapers right within the app without having to open the main app. So if you like a wallpaper, all you have to do is pretty much just tap it and it will open up that wallpaper so you can go and download the app. Now the app is a little laggy and buggy at most times. It hasn't been updated that often, but it's still a really nice app to have some unique wallpapers. And there's three different versions of this app. There's the large, medium, and of course the small tiny one that shows you only one app instead of the three or four the four wallpapers that you're looking at right now from the app here. So let's try one more time. And so as you can see, it's a little buggy, but yeah, it's just an awesome wallpaper to have if you're into wallpapers and want to see what's new of a wallpaper and to add it to your home setup. Next, we have Mr. Clockface. So, oh no, not Mr. Clockface, sorry, MC Clockface. So MC Clockface is an awesome widget that allows you to show you the date of the what day it is, what the time also, and also how many how long you have to progress in a day. So right now it's Wednesday, of course, and 42% of the day has already gone by. So it's just a nice little wake up call to see on the home screen every time to look at it, and see how much more is left throughout your day and if you have done a lot or not. And then of course my other one is the unique terminal version of it, that has the Mac OS version. So it shows you the iPhone, the day, and the time, of course, and it's just really fun to have the user date and the user time as well. So yeah, that's really cool to see that terminal version of it on the home screen. And then of course the how do you call it, the digital version of it. So you have the day, the month, and the year. So if you need to remember what day it is, then this widget is for you right there. So yeah, I just like this widget because you can see the day, you can see the time from year, and you can see the progression of your day as well, which is always really cool to see. Next, we have Widget Tube. So Widget Tube is one of my new favorite widgets on the iOS ecosystem, and that is because if you're a YouTuber, then Widget Tube is going to help you a lot, not just to track your subscription, of course, that you're looking at right now, but it also shows you some data of your video from the home screen so that you don't have to go into YouTube Studio every time. You could quickly just, if you're subscribed to your own channel, you could subscribe and add it to the widget right here so that you can see how many views you're getting, how many likes you're getting on that view. So like here on the AKBHD video, the latest video from his, you can see how many views he's gotten, how many likes and comments as well. And of course you can see my latest video right there in the small version to see how it will look also. So yeah, it's just a really fun app, a fun widget to have, of course, if you're into the YouTube world and you just want to really, how do you call it, track everything that you have to track all about YouTube. And of course, the next one here is the Widgie widget. So I'm not talking about the Widgie widget, but also the widget within the Widgie widget. So a developer has made some cool widgets for Widgie that allow you to, for free, that you could go and download from his Gumroad. I will link the description below so you guys can go and download for free. And what I like about his widgets is that they're really unique and cool and fun. One of my favorite ones, of course, is this one right here. So the day of the month and the year, and of course the hour, how long it has been. So when it gets to 12, of course, p.m., I mean, yeah, it will get to the halfway. But my other one is the watch face kind of type look on the top right here. So just like on the Apple Watch, the watch face right there, you get the complications and everything here. You cannot do any customization on the complications here, but you can see how the sun, you can see your battery life, you can see what day it is today, the volume, the weather, and it's just really a fantastic widget to have, and they're just really unique. And of course, the one in the middle here that shows you, of course, the sun and the moon, the sunrise, sunset, and the weather, of course, which is really nice. And next and not least, we have the TikTok widget. So TikTok has released their widget a while back, but I never really used it and never really checked it out until now. And what I like about the TikTok widget is that it shows you what's trending on TikTok. So if you're a TikToker and or you just enjoy making TikTok videos, then this widget is maybe a nice widget for you to see what's trending. But also, if you're a TikTok viewer and you just like watching TikTok videos, then you can see what is trending here, and so that what is everybody else watching right now. So yeah, it's just a really fun widget to have if you just want to if you don't want to have FOMO on the internet. So that's pretty much it for the top widgets for the month of June. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you guys did enjoy this video, please do hit the subscribe button because that does help a lot. Hit the like button as well because like that the algorithm can give me some love. And other than that, I will see you guys later. Peace.